Oo, sorry na lang tayo kasi gano'n ang judges natin. You have Robin Hood Padilla na hindi mo maintindihan kung saan nanggagaling yung tanong, then he will be the one to judge it. In fact, ang ano ko kay Robin Padilla, he should actually recuse himself. Ang sinabi na niya, siyempre, tututulong ko yung impeachment kasi ang ganyan ang role ng minority. Pre-judge na niya eh. But still, you can't do anything about it. No? Ang ano lang, the public, ino-inform mo lang yung public na, ganyan yan. Kaya, I mean, maraming senator judges na ano na, iniwan na yung objectivity eh. Obvious
Yeah.
naman eh. No? Sila Alan, sila Pia, alam mo na yung takbo ng mga tanong nila eh. So, hindi na sila, political na eh. For them, it's really political. Nawala na yung judicial, constitutional aspects ng impeachment. Kasi they're making judgment. Politics na eh. You're not even going to appreciate the evidence. Ang tanong mo is to help the defense, sirain yung prosecution, obvious eh. Kaya yun, hindi mo na, wala tayong magagawa doon eh. Nandun talaga sila. Sila yung ginawang senator judges ng Constitution. Sorry tayo. So, then it boils down to the bigger picture. We should actually have people, na statesmen and stateswomen responsible, that when they handle this kind of very serious responsibility, siseryosohin talaga nila.